Welcome to MagicDoor Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add late fees, how to adjust that late fee, and how to add charges. First, log into MagicDoor, and we're going to start in Settings. So on this left side navigation, select Settings. Here you can scroll down and view all the settings. We're going to click on Late Fees. Here you can turn on or off your late fees. You can add overrides for certain portfolios, properties, units, or leases that are not going to have late fees. You can adjust the grace period here. The chart of account ID is automatically going to be on late fees, but you can put it on any of your chart of accounts that you would like. You can adjust your late fee description, and then you can adjust your late fee calculation to either be fixed or a percentage. And of course, you could change the fixed amount or the fee percentage. Once you have all of your late fee charges settings adjusted, you can press save, and then these late fees will automatically be charged. Now to add any other charge, you're going to go to your leasing and then leases. Select the lease that you want to add a charge. And then in this upper navigation bar, you can select transactions. And here you can issue a credit, receive a payment, add a service bill, pay out a tenant, or add a charge. Select add a charge. You can put the due date, adjust if this is a property or company bill, and you can select the chart of accounts, enter the amount and the memo, and press save.